Howdy ho, guys and gals, it's Red, your friendly neighborhood tool bear, back again here in the old den of tools. Of course, we already brought you the Home Depot Spring Black Friday-ish kind of sale, but now we're over at Lowe's. We got the big blue box, and let's see what they can do for us. Of course, they're calling it Springfest 2022, but of course, Lowe's is not going to let us down. They wouldn't do us like that. Let's see what we got here. We got mulch, and more good mulch. 5 for $10. Honestly, that's a pretty decent price on mulch. We got some select vegetables and herbs there, 3 for 12. We got some flowers, 2 for 18. We got some more annuals there, 5 for 10. And we got a 2-pack of the succulents. I love me some succulents. I do. I just love them. I don't know why. $12 on this. I think it's because they look like you can chew on them. They look tasty. All right, we're going to scroll on down here. We got some Roundup there for $37.48. We got, look at this, the Harbor Breeze 6-pack of solar-powered path lights. Those are always nice. For $25, we got the string lights here for $35. I will say this. I can't remember who it was, and I'm sorry I forgot, but one of the viewers chimed in that he loves the string lights because he does contracting. When he goes in and they do a tear out, like in a kitchen or something like that, well, now you got no lights in there. Well, he strings up the string lights around there, and you got nice, even lighting around the entire room. That's some smart thinking there. We got some spring-style furniture there, $500 for the 2 chairs and the couch. Seems a bit pricey to me, but what do I know? And how about this? The Char Broil Performance Amplifier. Get it? Amplifier. They're too funny. 5-burner grill. You're getting 4 internal burners. You're getting 1 side burner. And you're getting the side shelf on the right. That's a nice setup. Now, I know lots of people like to sit there and say, well, if you buy these cheap grills, they're going to die. Get a cover for it. That's all you have to do. Clean it. Get a cover for it. Don't let grease collect in the bottom of it. And these things will last you a good long time. All right, below that, we got some Craftsman. We got the Craftsman pressure washers. We got not 1, but 2 of them. We've got the 2800 PSI. That's 2.5 gallons per minute. Now, if you multiply your 2800, if you multiply your PSI by your GPM, you get your working. That's what apparently the pro pressure washers use, the working power of the pressure washer. Anyway, $300 on that one there. Next to that, we've got the 3000 PSI at 2.3 gallons per minute. So actually less gallons per minute, but more pressure. Both running the Briggs & Stratton there for $329. Now, right to the right of that, we got the Greenworks. I would hold off on the Greenworks. I don't know if we're going to get a better deal, but Greenworks did email me just a little bit ago saying we're starting our Spring Black Friday, asking me to cover it. So we're going to take a look at it. Anyway, it's a nice setup there. It looks very similar to that Ryobi one we've seen over at Home Depot for $100. And then next to that, we got the ARC, the 56-volt Ego. Of course, as I've always said, when it comes to outdoor power equipment, if you want it just works. It always works. It does a fantastic job for the money. Ego is the way to go. It's not the cheapest out there, but it's solid. It's the Cadillac, I would say, of outdoor electric power equipment. $600 that's down $100 on the Select Cut 21-inch self-propelled rear-wheel drive cordless lawnmower, okay? Now, this one does come with the 7.5 amp-hour battery and charger in that. And it's got the Select Cut dual blade technology. That's going to give you a better cut, a more even cut. All right, moving along. We've got, of course, then also I wanted to point out that if you don't want to quite spend that much, they've got the one that's a step down from that. This is still 56 volts, still 21 inch, still has the 7.5. This is normally a $500 mower. This takes it down to, $600 mower. This takes it down to $500 on this one. All right. Now moving along, we've got the more perennials, more flowers, more mulch, raised bed soil. I need to pick some of that up. Actually, we got a little project we're working on. We got all the herbicides, everything else. We got some of the blocks. We got some of the patio pavers there. Again, just like we had over at Home Depot, we get this weird, apparently this is the thing this year. That's the trend. The planter wall things. I don't know. Is this something you're doing? Because it looks just weird to me. But, I'm not much of a planter, I'll be honest. But enough of that. Let's get into things that have some real power. We're going to jump into the Cobalt 40-volt max outdoor power equipment. First thing we got is the string trimmer for $159. Next to that, we got the cordless package with the pole saw. All right, so we got the pole saw, the battery, the charger, also for $200. Next to that, we've got the combo with the blower and the trimmer there, $269. Now, I've got this in the 24-volt, and it's decent. The 40-volt can get you a lot more power. And then we've got for $400, you got a solid 40-volt, 20-inch deck, brushless, self-propelled, rear-wheel drive, cordless lawnmower there for $400. It's not the Ego, but Cobalt has a decent product, okay? But if you are going with the Ego, check this out. You can get the trimmer there for $300 with the battery. You can get the blower for $329. That is a heck of a blower for $329. And let me tell you, now you get all those. Now you got a bunch of extra batteries going around. You're going to have no problem with runtime. All right, to the right of that, we got the Husqvarna. We got the 28cc, soon to be banned in California, of course. That's not a joke. They are banning these small gas engines here. The 2 cycles, they're going away, so you're not going. There's going to be contraband in California. $239 on that, and we got the blower, 2-cycle gas blower there if you really want to annoy the neighbors there. Backpack leaf blower for $329. Down there, we got some more Greenworks kind of stuff. We got the pressure washer with the surface cleaner combo for $100. If you want to do some sidewalks and stuff like that, that's a great package to pick up. And then to the right of that, we got the standard dolly style pressure washer. Again, this is electric on this one. $199 at 1.2 gallons per minute. Now to the right of that, we got the Craftsman. This is the 2-tool 20-volt max push mower and blower combo kit here. Includes 2 5-amp-hour batteries and charger there for $300. This is the V20 series. And then to the right of that, we got that little combo trimmer. That thing's nice. It lets you do a little edger with the grass. It's got a little, mini hedge clipper that goes on there. It's normally $80, bringing it down to $69. Now below this, we get the Char Broil grill for $529. Unless you are just desperate to get the all shiny chrome or stainless look there, man, I don't know how you justify going $529 on that versus that first one we showed you. And then we got the Char Broil utensils as well to go with it. All right, now let's see what else we got. We got, as I said, we'd get appliances, and we got appliances 10% off of LG via rebate, 10% off of Samsung via rebate. We got some Stainmaster. We got some other stuff, yada, yada. We got, of course, more paint and whatnot. And that's it. That's it for the flyer. Now, I did look around, try to see what else we could find in store. Not a lot going on. We got the 6-gallon Craftsman with the nailer there for $169. We got the DeWalt table saw with stand. It's a decent table saw. $529 though, and that's with $100 off, folks. That's a tough pill to swallow. We got the little Dremel there for $49. We've got the Craftsman VersaStack. This is a decent little DIY tool stack. Fits great with the VersaStack system. Normally around Black Friday, we'd see it drop even more, down to 50% off, taking it down to $100. But for picking it up right now, $120, I mean, rather than waiting until, Thanksgiving, not a bad pickup if you're looking for something like that. And of course, just like we saw over at Home Depot, they've got, it says it right here, the DWS 779 for $400. And look at this. Here's the big boy. This is the same saw with a light on it for $549. Ouch! How do they do this? Why do people still buy that thing? I don't care what other saw you buy. There's better deals out there than those saws. All right, we got the Dremel 4039 piece. It's an okay Dremel, probably not the best one out there. You're saving $10 on that. We can go through some of the other stuff here. We got DeWalt batteries. We got a Cobalt drill there for $120 there. Of course, remember, all the Cobalt cordless hand tools, they're all 24 volt and they're all brushless. How about this? The Bosch Router here. This one's normally $200. It's on sale for $150, which honestly is like the standard going sale price on it. You can pretty much get it all year round at that price. Nothing to get excited about there. And I'll be honest, that's a lot of what this sale is jumping out and telling me here. There's not a lot to get excited. In fact, if you notice, both Home Depot and both Lowe's are doing the whole, it's a spring sale, but we're not calling it Spring Black Friday because we're really not blowing out the prices. They're making money hand over fist. They're both at record earnings. I guess they feel they don't need it. If you haven't seen the Home Depot sale yet, I've already got that up. It should be showing up linked here or down below it. Pops up all over the place. You know how to find it. Anyway, we're going to have the Greenworks sale and we're going to have the Ace sale. Hopefully we'll find some redemption. I mean, at this point, I was looking at the Harbor Freight sale from the flyer from last week, which is going on right now. If you haven't seen my Harbor Freight sale, Spring Black Friday, they're actually having some decent sale prices compared to some of this stuff. Anyway, stay tuned. Check it out. Make sure you've liked and subscribed so you don't miss anything. That's all the Bear has for you on this one. You all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.